Transferring a DBA to an LLC in Texas can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it's a straightforward process that can offer significant benefits for your business. This video will walk you through the steps to make this transition smoothly and legally. First, let's clarify what a DBA is. DBA stands for Doing Business As. It allows a business to operate under a name different from its legal entity. For example, if John Smith runs a bakery called Sweet Treats, he would need a DBA to use that name instead of his own. While a DBA is useful, it doesn't provide legal protection. This is where an LLC, or limited liability company, comes in. An LLC separates your personal assets from your business liabilities and offers tax advantages. This added protection is why many business owners choose to transition from a DBA to an LLC. Now, let's go through the steps to transfer your DBA to an LLC in Texas. Step 1. Form your LLC. Choose a unique business name that complies with Texas naming requirements and file a certificate of formation with the Texas Secretary of State. Don't forget to designate a registered agent for your LLC. Step 2. Obtain an employer identification number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essential for tax and banking purposes. Step 3. Transfer your DBA to the LLC. File an assumed name certificate with the county clerk, where your business operates. If your original DBA was filed at the state level, you'll need to submit an updated certificate to the Texas Secretary of State as well. Step 4. Update your business licenses and permits. Inform relevant agencies of your business structure change and update any state or local licenses under your new LLC name. Step 5. Notify banks, vendors, and customers of the transition. Update your business bank accounts with the LLC's EIN and operating name, and inform your clients and vendors to ensure contract compliance. When making this transition, avoid common mistakes. Don't forget to form your LLC properly, update all necessary licenses, obtain a new EIN, and consider the tax implications. If you're transitioning from a sole proprietorship, check if you need to cancel the old DBA before re-registering under the LLC. Remember, while a DBA is simply a registered alias, an LLC provides liability protection, tax flexibility, and increased business credibility. This makes transferring from a DBA to an LLC a smart move for many growing businesses. By following these steps and avoiding common pitfalls, you can successfully transfer your DBA to an LLC in Texas, setting your business up for greater protection and potential growth.